Marine Division, Major General Thomas D. Wallmauser, and the Band Officer of the 1st Marine Division Band, Chief Warrant Officer 4, Michael Edmondson. I'd like to present from Camp Pendleton, California, the 1st Marine Division Big Band. My name's Gunnery Sergeant Jay Dahlberg, I'm the Big Band leader, and we have a great show in store for you today. So, when you're ready, are you ready? Band, you ready? Alright, let's kick this thing. about to have a good time. Good crowd. You guys look good. All right, on that last song, we had Sergeant Digsby on trombone. Yeah! straight from Portland, Global Comfort. And a screaming guitar solo by our very own Corporal Little. And then, of course, tenor sax, Sergeant Kevin Ose.